This is the Pearl Room here in Poblacion, Makati. Sarap ng oysters nila. Cheers. Oh shit, that's so good. Kuya, anong kalsada to? Don Pedro. And nandito ako ngayon sa Poblacion, Makati. Ito yung pinaka-busy na part ng Poblacion. So kung mapapansin nyo, maaga pa lang, may mga nakikita na ako mga naglalakad na foreigners sa kalsada. Because this has become one of the favorite places na pinupuntahan ng mga foreigners. This is the red light district of Makati. Right across this old house na ginawang Korean restaurant. This is a residential street. I'm seeing another old house that I think was converted into another bar. Oh, it looks like an old apartment style building. So this is a normal house. And then sa tabi niya is this the Pearl Room. Let's see kung ano meron dito. Para lang siyang garahe ng lumang bahay. Ay po. Open na ba kayo? 3 p.m? Oh, alas stress. Pwede na? Okay. Magbablog po ako. Okay. Sa YouTube po. Sabi ko po sa inyo mamaya. Sige, baka mabigat yung dala mo. So it's an oyster bar. Kaya pala the Pearl Room ang title ng place. It's because it's an oyster bar. Oh, that is so cool. Check it out. This is the oyster bar. Yan, ang kanilang offer is drink all you can, Mondays to Sundays, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. The entire building outside na nakikita natin, pinakita ko sa inyo yung building sa labas. Akala ko it's a house. Ito pala yun. Ito yung loob ng building na yun. Yung labas looks like an old house lang, but the inside, the entire downstairs area of that building is this bar. Ale Pilsen. Thank you. Wait. So fresh. Look at it. Binuksan lang kanina nung chef or ng waiter. Tapos sinerve na agad. I really don't know how to eat this. I ordered a couple. I have here calamansi. There you go. And then they have, this is hot sauce. This is vinegar. Tikman muna natin ng walang kahit anong sauce. Paano ba ito? Kinakain na ng buo. Subo ko na lang ito lahat. Oh shit, that's so good. It's sweet. Oh, that's so good. Manamis-namis. It's not like the normal oysters na nabibili ko sa palengke. Ito ang laki niya, tapos ang meaty niya. And I can really feel the texture nung meat ng oyster kasi ang kapal niya, ang laki niya. And then the other one, let's taste it with vinegar maybe and this hot sauce. Masarap din, but I prefer the ones na walang sauce because parang na-overpower nung sauce na vinegar yung raw taste ng oyster. I like the one na walang sauce. You can really taste yung natural flavors and the natural juices of the oysters. It's very good. Guys, nakakaisang mug pa lang ako ng beer pero medyo tinatamaan na ako. I don't know, nabitin ako eh. So umorder pa ako ng dalawa pang live oysters. Ngayon ako nakatikim ng oyster na ganun katamis. I want more. So ito na guys, dumating na yung order natin ng second set of live oysters. So those 4 pieces of live oysters plus this big ass mug of beer. Magkano naman ang presyo? Nabot ako ng 446 pesos. I don't know if this is really live, kung buhay ba talaga to, or that's just the title. So anyway, cheers guys. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.